Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we got the parts in for the 2007 Toyota Camry. We got the new struts in from 1AAuto.com. Now as you can tell, just got them today. I guess they had some warehouse issues and shipping. They were changing their system and whatnot. And so instead of getting these last Wednesday when they should have got here probably, I got them today. So here they are. And fortunately, the packaging looks a little damaged. Got some big holes and dents and whatnot, so hopefully it didn't affect the struts. But we'll open up here real quick. So I got the fronts and the rears, and they also got the sway bar linkages. So on their website, they have the videos of how to install everything, which is actually very handy, very nice. So let's see if I can get these open real quick for you. There we go. So here's the new ones right here. So hopefully they go on pretty good, but I'm gonna pop open this strut over here and we'll just see how it looks. Oh, look at that. It just opens right up. Alright, so here's the new strut. I mean, it appears not to be busted, but you know. I got the wobbly boot there. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. So we'll take a look at it. You know, if there's ever any issues, I'll let 1AAuto know. Apparently the stuff, their products are good, pretty good quality, but it just looks like they're known to have crappy shipping and boxing. Now, it's not necessarily them, you know, it's mainly UPS, but, you know, we'll see if they can improve that. But we'll put these on here in the next few days and we'll give you an update. So, hey, if you like what you see, subscribe, like the channel. I'll be putting more videos up and we'll see how it goes.